Ready to turn your big ideas into reality. With GoDaddy, you are just a click away from securing your perfect domain, building a stunning website, and launching your brand to the world. Let's make your online presence unforgettable. So hey guys, and welcome again in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use GoDaddy.com. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into GoDaddy.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is GoDaddy? GoDaddy is a web services company that provides domain registration, web hosting, website building tools, and online marketing services. Founded in 1997. It is one of the largest domain registries in the world, helping individuals and businesses establish their online presence. GoDaddy offers a range of products including website design, e-commerce solutions, and various digital marketing tools, making it a one-stop shop for online needs. So first of all I have to do is just dive into GoDaddy.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So here we have a various things. Create your own website. You can just click over start for free and then you will find this page. Here we have your free website. It's only the first step. Create a mobile friendly website for your business for free and witness the growth of your business through integrated marketing. So then you click over start for free again and you will find this page. You can choose. If you already have an account, you click over login and you watch your email address and your password. You can also use other option to sign up like Facebook, Google, or with email also. Then you will find this page. You have just to answer or respond for these questions. First of all, we have what features does your website need. For example, we have sell with an online store, make appointments online, and we have something else also. So you choose the one you want, then you click for continue, and you'll find here yes, very well. What kind of website do you want? We use this information to recommend photos and contents to you. So you find the category that suits you best. For example, hairdresser and hairdresser, we have spa or photograph. I will select for example this one. Then I will click over continue. We have here what name should we give to your website. This will be the name of your project. If you change your address, you can always update it. Then you will find the home page. So we have here the dashboard as you can see. So after signing up for GoDaddy, start by log in into your account. Use the research bar to find and register your desired domain name. Once you have your domain, explore their hosting options and choose one that fits your needs, like shared VPS or dedicated hosting. Use the website builder for an easy drag and drop design experience or upload your existing site if fails. Don't forget to configure your DNS settings for your domain and set up SSL for security. Regularly check your account for renewal reminders and explore additional features like email hosting and marketing tools to enhance your online presence. So here we have various things on GoDaddy.com. We have first of all here the dashboard as you can see. Here we have in the dashboard, here is how to proceed with the configuration. We have a premium website, we have marketing, and we have apartments. About the website, here we have customize or personalize your website with a custom domain. Then we have your Facebook images on your site, publish your site, and here we have see all things of the website. If we scroll down, we will find here also more opportunities for development. Manage your social platforms in one place, claim your domain also. Then we have also here marketing, like post on social media to increase traffic to your website, send an email campaign to get visitors back to your site. Then we have create your first blog post. Then we have here appointments. For example, allow appointments, booking on your site, list a service, of course, manage information about your business. Then we have here upload your own images, manage your social platforms in one place. Then we have claim your domain. Then we have also here domain name, finding a new area. as you can see. Then we have also here website. In the website here we have next steps. To begin, you have to first of all make sure your content information is up to date. You have a view about section, add your logo or create one to strengthen your brand image, upload media to use on your site, your Facebook images on your site. Then you will have improve your site. So about this one we have here concentrate because we have here customize the website with a custom domain. Here we have a link, and here we have grow your audience also. Here we have here develop. How do you grow your audience? Let's look at actions that can help you reach more customers. Send emails to your content to promote your site. Then here we have also email here. And we have you create a professional email address for your domain, manage the email users, build your trust by using an email address, follow your printed free time. Then we have set custom emails for your business. Then we have your shop also. For example, we have presentation, products, categories, comments, parameters. And then we have your appointments, presentation, calendar, services, categories, clients, team, parameters. And here we have social, presentation and information, marketing. Also, we have presentation here and referencing. We have also marketing by email, blog, content creator. We have also here clients, everything, automatization, and we have forms registration, and we have parameters. So to get started, you have just to follow what I already told you. You have just to start by logging into your account, use the search bar to find and register your design domain name, what's hosting options, and choose one that fits your needs like shared VPS or dedicated hosting. Then you will start with GoDaddy. So GoDaddy serves as a comprehensive platform for anyone looking to establish and grow their online presence with its wide array of services including domain registration, web hosting, and user-friendly website building tools. GoDaddy simplifies the process of going digital for individuals and businesses alike. Whether you are launching a personal blog or an e-commerce site, GoDaddy equips what you with the tools necessary to succeed in the online world. So we have just to get started as soon as possible, and this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.